What should you pay first when you're behind on bills? And what can wait without making your situation worse? When you're behind on bills, the worst thing you can do is freeze. Because when you feel ashamed about money, you avoid the numbers, you avoid the due dates, and you avoid the calls. And this makes everything worse. Here's exactly what to do first to stop the panic, protect the essentials, and make a smart plan fast. When every bill feels urgent, panic will make you poorer faster. You do not need to catch up on everything today, but you do need to prioritize correctly. Because when everything feels urgent, the answer is strategy. Step 1, list every bill in one place. First, write every bill that you are behind on. Include the name of the bill, the amount due, the due date, and the minimum payment, and whether it affects your housing, your power, your transportation, or your safety. You need the truth on paper, not just in your head, not it's kind of like this, not I think I know. A scattered money problem only gets worse. A visible money problem can be managed. Step 2, protect essentials first. Not all bills are created equal. Pay the ones that protect your life first. Rent or mortgage, electricity, groceries, water, transportation, insurance. That means the light bill comes before the credit card bill. You cannot make smart money decisions when your essentials are unstable. Step 3, stop trying to please every bill equally. This is where a lot of women go wrong. Send a little bit here, they'll send a little bit there, and a little bit somewhere else because they think it's fair to send every bill a little bit. So at least it shows you're making an effort. But fair is not the goal. Effective is the goal. You need to focus your money on where it protects you the most. Trying to make every creditor happy while your basics are in danger is a losing strategy. Step 4, call the companies. I know people hate this step, but do it anyways. Call and ask, can I get a payment arrangement? Can I get a due date moved? Can I get my fees waived? Can I make a partial payment today? Is there a hardship program? You don't get extra points for suffering in silence. If you reach out and ask these questions, you never know what you could get out of it. A lot of people avoid making these calls because they're embarrassed. Embarrassed doesn't fix the bills, but action does. Step 5, cut non-essentials immediately. If you're behind on bills, this is not the week to be doing emotional spending. You need to be cutting eating out, subscriptions, shopping treats, convenience spending, anything draining your cash without solving a real need. This is not forever. This is correction season. And corrections require discipline. Step 6, find more cash without creating more damage. That means selling items that you no longer use, maybe picking up a side job, asking to work overtime, donating plasma, possibly having a yard sale. Pause extra spending and redirect that money. Do what you can to think about how can you earn some extra money to pay these bills. Step 7, make a catch-up plan. Now decide what happens next. Ask yourself, what bill needs to be handled first? Which bill can wait a little bit longer? What amount can I realistically pay this week? And what is my plan for my next paycheck? Your plan does not need to be pretty. It just needs to be real. Being behind on bills doesn't mean you failed. You just need a plan. You need a real system in place. Once you stop reacting emotionally and you start acting strategically, you will get back in control. Fastest way out of financial chaos is clarity, prioritizing, and disciplined action. Once you do this, you stop letting bills control your emotions and start telling your money where to go. If you got anything at all out of this video, please take a minute to subscribe to my channel. And please share this video with another wonderful woman in your life that might need it. Thank you so much for being a part of my journey. I will see you all next week.